Bananas, bread. Banana bread, a beautiful marriage of two things. Some may call it banana bread. Some may call it Benene bread. But I just call it good old-fashioned banana bread. Hello boys, hello girls. It's me, Mckenna. How are you? I'm good. Kinda, I think. I don't know. Anyway, I haven't made an actual video in like a month, maybe longer, and that's not okay by my standards. So to get into the holiday spirit, I'm gonna be making a holiday banana bread loaf. There is a catch, however. I'm going to be making this holiday banana bread loaf without a recipe, so that might be hard. But also I kind of bake without a recipe a lot, so it might be not hard. I don't know. Before I get into this video, please subscribe and like this video if you do like this video, because I want you to. Okay, it's time to cook. So I don't usually make cooking videos because I think I have an ugly kitchen that's not very good for filming, because it's like a narrow little hallway kitchen and it's just, quite frankly, pretty ugly. So today I thought, you know, forget about it. I'm not gonna hide my ugly kitchen from the world anymore. I'm gonna show off my ugly kitchen and I'm gonna cook a beautiful thing in said ugly kitchen, and my kitchen won't be so ugly anymore. Okay, let's get the ingredients. I had these rotten bananas in the refrigerator because they were in the freezer and I thawed them out last night. So here's some rotten bananas. Can you see that? There's like a disgusting juice in there. So that's the main ingredient that you're gonna need, rotten bananas. Dang, I should clear off these. Why do I have a toaster and a toaster oven? It seems like I would be just fine with just the toaster oven. I will have a second ingredient cam down here, don't even worry. Sweet, this is great. We've got some bowls here. All of our measuring utensils, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla extract, flour, sugar, salt, eggs, and the secret ingredient to keeping this banana bread super moist, sour cream. Oh shoot, I don't have oil? Oh no. A stick of butter, because I don't have any vegetable oil on me and I'm not gonna use olive oil in banana bread. I know that won't be good. I'm gonna go preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't know what that is Celsius. However, I do wish I was a British person, and I love everything about British culture and British people, and the fact that I'm not a British person, honestly, it gives me an existential crisis at least once per week, which isn't that bad. All right, I've got everything set up. I have everything in order. I think I've got a good camera set up here. I've got my second camera to show the ingredients and stuff, and then I've got my main camera to show me, because that's what you're all here for, right? For me? First things first, I'm going to just go ahead and unravel these bananas. They're not looking too hot, but I think that makes for banana bread. I was gonna say better banana bread, and it just became banana bread. And you know what? I'm really hyped up on caffeine right now, so if I'm talking like inaudibly, that's why. This is not good looking. Oh God. I'm just gonna go ahead with 3 bananas in here. I'm not trying to make a huge banana bread, just one that will be good. Size-wise, at least. Next, I'm gonna add some sugar. Sugar is technically a wet ingredient, so I'm gonna add that to my wet ingredients here. I don't know how much. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour like a lot, because too sweet is better than not sweet enough, right? And then to our wet, we're also gonna add some of this sour cream. It kind of smells like it's not good. I'm gonna use about half a stick of butter. I don't know. You don't want a dry banana bread, that's just gross. You want it to be extra moist, and moisture comes from fats and like sugar stuff. So if I want a moist banana bread, I'm gonna go ahead and have to add a lot of fat. I'm gonna microwave this butter and add it in instead of canola oil, because I don't have any canola oil. Shoot, I think I was supposed to add the butter and sugar and then cream that together, make it really like fluffy, and then add the eggs and banana and stuff. Whatever, it'll just like make the texture weird. Okay, let's go ahead and throw in our butter, and then I'm just gonna blend this all up. I think that is nice and creamy enough. Now I'm gonna add 1 egg. Ooh, I actually got a big shell in there. I'm gonna blend this egg up too. That's blended now. It's time to move on to our dry ingredients. So we have just some regular all-purpose flour. Nothing fancy here. We're just gonna add this much. There's always room to add more, because if you add too much flour, it's gonna be dry. Let's add this much baking soda and this much baking powder. And oops, I forgot to add vanilla to my wet, so I'm just gonna do that now. Ooh, that was a good amount. Yeah, totally. That's exactly what I was picturing. And then we have to add, oh shoot, a little bit of salt. I kind of like a lot of salt because it tastes good. What do I have to do? Just mix your dry ingredients with your hands and then make a well for your wet ingredients to go into. Don't know why I got measuring cups out when I'm not measuring anything. And just pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. One thing that I know is that you do not want to overmix your banana bread, or any quick bread for that matter. So because we don't want to overmix our quick bread because it'll get tough and gross, we're gonna just do a quick little mix and see if we need more flour, which we probably will, but again, less is more. Now, the rest of the mixing that we do, because I think I am gonna add a little bit more flour, is going to be with this spatula. Just get everything off the sides and see how much flour you need, if you need more. Not too much, just that much. And I'm just gonna mix it gradually. I do not wanna overmix. And boom, baby. It's well mixed, not overmixed. And I'm gonna try the batter. Honestly, if I only had to serve this batter to you judges, I think that I would get a gold star right on the middle of my forehead. So it's good, but when it bakes, you have no idea what's gonna happen. There's so much science to baking that it could just be an entire fail after I bake. Let's put it into our holiday loaf pan. I'm gonna use the butter that I used for the batter and just smear butter into this pan. I'm going to pour in my batter now. I think I made the perfect amount of batter for this, and I think that's spectacular. I might just have a hidden talent that is really being brought to light today on this episode of Hee Hee, It's Mckenna. The batter is so good. I'm not concerned about salmonella. Some people, they eat raw eggs like 20 at a time to be really muscular, and they don't get salmonella, so why would I from a little bit of banana bread batter? As a special thing that I discovered from the wonderful Carla of Bon Appetit, when she made her banana bread, she did an extra sprinkle of sugar or something on top, which I'm gonna do just to go the extra mile with it. Honestly, I think this might be the best banana bread that I'll ever make in my life, and I'm kind of excited to see how it turns out. There it is, and it's going in the oven at 375 degrees for probably 40 minutes. It might get a really huge top because I did put quite a bit of baking soda and powder. We'll see, but I think it looks beautiful. I'm excited to bread my banana. I'm gonna go ahead and put the recipe right here for you guys. If you wanna try making this banana bread at home, here it is. Here's the recipe, and you know the steps because I showed you in the video. If you do end up making this recipe, please tag me on Instagram at Hee Hee It's Mckenna. I'd love to see your creation. See you guys in 40 minutes, which is 2 seconds for you. I'm starting the edit while the banana bread is cooking, and wow, it smells so good in here. I'm really excited for this to be done. Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh baby, oh my god. Okay, look at this. Wow. Well, it's a little moist still, maybe like another 3 minutes. Okay, it's done. I don't know why I'm using a thin paper towel for this. This is probably extremely illogical. What am I doing? I don't know. This seems like a good idea in my head. Okay, you guys, it's official. It's done. Wow, it actually looks so good. The crust on top, impeccable. Oh my god, I cannot wait to sink my teeth into this. I gotta let it cool for like 10 minutes. I'm actually kind of pumped about this. I might be like a naturally talented, just iconic baker, and I have no idea. And I have no idea also what the recipe is, so I can never recreate this banana bread again. Oh, that's kind of sad. Okay, I have to be honest, it's been far more than 10 minutes. It's probably actually been like 40 minutes, and that's okay. It's still gonna be warm and succulent, and it's time to cut into the frickin' bread. I'm gonna serve it up on my healthy junk food cutting board because I work for them and they sent me this for Christmas last year. And this is a cooking video, so it feels fitting to use their products because they're a cooking channel. Here we go, it's plating time. Oh, it came out so easily. I believe that it's time to slice into this bad boy. Oh my goodness, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Oh, that crust on top. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god, it's the most beautiful thing that I think I've ever seen in my life. Do you guys see this right now? I did this without ingredients. Look how moist it looks inside. Oh my god, there's no way. I'm a professional. It's so pretty. It looks so good. Do you see the crust? It's insanely pretty. But now is the moment of truth. I'm gonna take this middle slice here and we're gonna give it a taste. Let's see if the flavors match up to the beauty. It's so warm and so moist. Mmm. Oh my god. Oh, that crust. Carla, you dog. I think I'm a cooking channel now. A baking channel? It's like 4:30 p.m. right now and I haven't eaten yet, so that might be making it taste better, but the balance of flavor, the salty with the sweet, the perfect amount of fattiness, not too dense, but not too fluffy. The texture, incredible. That crumb top. I know I made a joke about the recipe that I had put up on the screen, but like I wish that I actually had a recipe for this banana bread and I want to like watch my footage back to guesstimate how much of everything that I actually put in because this is insane. I have the best intuition in the world for baking. It's so good. I'm so happy. Whoa, I need some milk. I live alone so I can drink out of the carton. I'm really proud of myself. I want to do this more. This was really fun. Do you guys see this loaf? It's so beautiful. Wow. I'd like to thank all the cooking videos that I've ever watched in my whole life. And I'm definitely, clearly far superior to all of the Try Guys because I just remembered that they're doing this all month long on their channel and I didn't even think of that when I was like, oh, I want to make banana bread for a video. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to me. If you want me to make more cooking videos, please comment below because I won't know what you want until you comment that you want it. I probably care more about cooking than I care about like fashion stuff, but those videos are fun to make too. So if you did like the cooking, please do let me know, for real, in the comments because this was really fun and it turned out like really well and I might be a secret little talented baker queen. I had no idea. I mean, I kind of knew, but not to this extent. This is a masterpiece. I mean, look how perfectly it's cooked too. But anyway, yeah, thanks again guys. Happy holidays. I hope you have a beautiful Christmas and New Year and whatever else you celebrate. I'm uneducated on all of the other cultural holidays that there could be. I'm gonna go now and this was so fun. I don't know how to feel. I'm so proud of myself right now. It's too much pride probably. So good.